Hey everyone, in this video we are going to talk about denojs and why should you care. Denojs could be the next big thing in the world of backend development, especially people who are using Node.js for backend development should definitely look into this denojs thing. And also other people who are looking to move into backend development can also have a look into it. In this video we are going to talk about what is denojs and how it is different from Node.js and what are the things it incorporates that Node.js doesn't have and how it is improved version of Node.js we can say. So let's start with the name first, denojs. Denojs actually is a anagram of Node.js. It comes actually from the same guy Ryan who created Node.js. So he named denojs by just anagram of Node.js. In the latest JS conference, he mentioned about the 10 regrets he have about Node.js and he can't change it due to its legacy code base and many things that can't be changed at the moment. So he decided to start a new framework that solves many problems that Node.js still have, like the callbacks that everyone hates, and also doesn't having inbuilt support for TypeScript file that denojs also incorporates. Like denojs have built-in TypeScript support. We are going to look at next. So let's go into the official page of denojs and look what is it. So we are at the landing page of denojs. It's known as deno.land. So it says it's a secure runtime for JavaScript and TypeScript, same as Node.js. Node.js also the runtime for JavaScript. So the difference between Node.js and denojs is Node.js is written in C++ and based on V8 Chrome engine. Denojs is also based on Chrome V8 engine, but is written in Rust programming language. Denojs have a built-in support for TypeScript, but Node.js didn't have. We need to configure extras for supporting the TypeScript in our project. So the creator of denojs ran talked about their regrets for Node.js. You can watch this video. It talks about many things like callbacks and various security issues that were present in Node.js, and he can't change it because of the legacy code of Node.js and various issue for rebuilding the Node.js code base. So you can have a look to this video and it talks about many things. Also, I'll be putting the link of this video in the description. You can have a look at it and understand the flaws that Node.js have and how they are going to solve it. So let's have a look on to various features of denojs. Ryan, while creating denojs, focused in two things, that is security and productivity. So he considered security one of the major issue in Node.js. In denojs, we can't access the files or networks or environment variables directly. We need to have a extra permission for it. That can be done using flag values. We will see later. So we have compiled a list of difference between Node.js and denojs and various features of denojs. You can say, let's have a look into it. The officially release date of denojs is 13th of May 2020. denojs is not in much stable form as of now, so it can't be used in the production as of now. So there is a comparison between Node.js and denojs everywhere. So there are various question asked like is Node.js going to die, or if denojs is replacing Node.js, something like that. So Node.js is not going anywhere as of now because it's used millions of people, like 12 million code bits every day. So there are a lot of people, lot of company organizations are using Node.js, so it's not moving anywhere as of now. We don't know about the future, but denojs is also incorporating some Node.js support in denojs. So there could be a mixture of these two things in our code base too. I think there could be a migration process to migrate the code also. So we need to wait and see the official release of it. In Node.js is awesome and we love using it. It makes our tasks very easier, and hope like we will get denojs much like Node.js with better features. So we can keep an eye on denojs as of now. as of now we can't use it in production. There are many things unstable as of now. Developers are regularly contributing to it and fixing it. Let's see how it proceeds after its official release. Node.js is awesome, and we love using it. I use it heavily in our project daily basis. So maybe denojs will have a support for node.js too, and denojs will do well, I guess. Let's wait and see.